Now, I recently bought a very aggressively used BMW 335i, and the start button looked like this. Unacceptable. That looks like garbage. So I replaced the button with a red one, but I have to say, I do think that kind of looks a little bit cheap. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it with a black one. Now you'll notice around the trim here, by the way, this was black, okay? And this was starting to kind of bubble like a lot of BMW trim does. So I went ahead and just actually peeled it all away and made it white. And if anything, it may be that like glossy candy red with that white background that makes it look cheap. We pry up the trim right here just a little bit. Now that it's pried open just a smidge, okay, we're gonna go ahead and take the assembly. Basically, there are these two little tabs on the side that you're gonna need to squeeze. The button assembly will come out, and then you'll want to take the ribbon cable out. That ribbon cable is just two little tabs on the side of it that you pinch, and out it pops. Very, very easy. Next, that silver ring basically just pops right off, just a small little trim piece, plastic trim piece that comes off quite easily. And then last, we're gonna go ahead and pry off the red button. Red button off, black button on. Next, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is take this white trim piece out altogether, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it black with Plasti Dip. But I figured that way, it maybe just kind of blends it in a little bit more. From here, you just reassemble the button in reverse order. Again, pretty darn easy. Pop it back in, good to go. All right, here's what it looks like with the, having redone it to the black button. I gotta be honest. I regret using gray instead of black. Don't make the same mistake I did. Don't fuck with it. Just go black on black, all right? I think it just looks better. The overly worn down push to start button is a very common problem with older BMWs. For some reason, they just make them out of like, I don't know, out of garbage. Anyway, it's a very quick and easy fix and cheap. So it's pretty much a no-brainer. If you want to restore the good looks back to your interior, a $7 button and like 5 minutes of work and you're good to go.